Hey, I'm Spektorbaal. I'm a Gothic musician, also an occultist, and welcome to my channel. Hope this video sounds good. I am using a Rode 2 mic. Usually I use a shotgun mic, but I want my voice clear in the video. I decided to try the Rode 2. Now, let me know if you like the sound of this microphone. In this video, we're going to be talking about contracts with demons, pacts. If you like that type of subject, consider subscribing and click on that notification bell to be alerted when a new video is available. And also click on that bell icon and make sure you click on that like. Anyway, let's start with the video. So, contracts and pacts with demons, or angels, or deities. I've seen a lot of this in older grimoires. Now, when it comes to the modern age of magic, I've seen that too. I've seen a lot of magicians talk about contracts. Now, everybody's going to have their method. But I don't see a reason to do any type of contract with any spirit. Honestly, in my opinion, I think it's ridiculous. Why? Why do a contract with a demon? Now, that's why it's important to have a relationship with the demon. You might be sitting there laughing, but yes, it's better to have a relationship with the demon. If you see somebody in the real world and you go to them and you start talking to them, you don't say, "Hey, can you do me a favor? Let's do a contract." It's better to have some sort of relationship. That way, you don't have to get into these things. I've never had any reason to do a contract with any demon that I dealt with. And I have had demons do things for me and help me out in different types of situations. I have never had to do some sort of contract or pact. When I deal with the spirit, I might ask what kind of gift they would like. Maybe I would get a special flower for them, some incense, something just to show my appreciation. Some magicians believe in contracts. Fine, but I feel that it is absolutely ridiculous. I feel it's ridiculous. There's absolutely no reason to do any type of contract with a demon. If you have a relationship with the demon, you will be fine. You have a relationship, you ask them to do something for you, you give them a gift, you have some sort of exchange, and that's it. It feels wrong for me to do a contract with the spirit because it feels like you cannot trust the spirit you're working with. Let's say you and me meet. I've never met you in my life. I don't know who you are. But we would hang out and we would get to know one another. What happens if I meet you and I say, "Hey, before we hang out, let's sign a contract"? How does that sound to you? That does not sound cool to me. It sounds ridiculous. If you're meeting somebody, you want to have some sort of relationship with them, and you want to go hang out with them, you do not ask them, "Hey, can you do a contract? So you do this and I do this." Now, when it comes to contracts, how do you know that you did your part? How do you know they did their part? What happens if they're not satisfied with what you did when it comes to the things that are written in the contract? But honestly, I feel there is no need to do a contract. If you want to ask a spirit to do you some sort of a favor, have a relationship with that spirit, go visit that spirit, have a conversation with that spirit, gain knowledge, gain wisdom. I feel that the goetic spirit enjoys when magicians visit them. Of course, if they're polite. I feel they enjoy the conversation. I feel they enjoy the company. Why shouldn't they? So you do not have to do a contract at all. So there is no reason to do any type of contracts or pacts. Just get to know the spirit that you're working with. Anyway, Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.